You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
All right, y'all can see Alan over there setting up. Yeah, we are setting up for a barbecue sale here at some kind of motocross racing here in, where are we at? What? Brown City, Michigan. And there's Mary. She's my real boss. Alan just he's kind of like an iconic boss. And she's getting mad because I'm video recording and not doing work. We're selling drinks today, Mary?
Yes, water.
Any beer? No beer. We got some water. Big Al. We're just about set up. So what do you say? I'm fired and I just got hired
because you actually first time putting those up today. Usually it's like 3 or 4 times that you
I did good though.
Today was first try. You did good, so I hired you back. Just wait another half hour so you might get fired again.
Yes, I put those signs up.
Rehire all day long.
So Alan has the first sale of the day, and it's a bottle of water. Where is this motorcycle racing going to be? It's going to be out there where all those little mounds and hills are. It's probably going to get pretty noisy here. Kind of used to it being set up by a highway all the time. But yeah, nothing like having a motorcycle race in an industrial park. Hey, wow, we got porta-johns nearby here at Burnt Barrel Barbecue. So we currently have the health department in there inspecting. Everything's going to be fine. And looking here, Alan's got some nice hats and Burnt Barrel Barbecue shirts. Very nice. We're not open yet, but we did sell, like I said, 1 bottle of water. So the health department lady left, and Alan, congratulations, you passed your inspection.
I told her I couldn't run anymore, but she says, hey, as long as I can get to Paul's truck, it's good. So my health is excellent. My health is passed.
Okay. But for Alan, food safety is important.
Oh, you got the food safety. Oh.
Yeah. He passed, and Mary wanted to beat her up, but she didn't. She's sitting up in here. It's going to be a hot one, as long as it stays a dry one. The bikes are rolling in. So now I'm going to make a loaded mac pulled pork version. Yes, sir. I'll do that. Half pound?
Yeah, of the loaded mac.
Must wear the gloves. Because no glove, no love. Hands are sweating, so it's kind of hard to put them on. Half pound.
I might open up the back a little. Get some air.
Your operation.
Smooth operator. Huh? Oh boy, that's a good place for it actually, Paul. I guess we've got to watch what I say.
That good? Yeah. And we'll just top it with some more pulled pork. Loaded mac half pound. Probably get more than 8 ounces. Yep. Surely would if it was full of lead. What is this, third one sold today? People see it, and everybody else wants it. Alright, so we had some sales already, and as long as it doesn't rain, it looks like it's going to be a great selling event. I got me a little pulled pork while it's a little downtime. Put some barbecue sauce and some ghost pepper sauce on there. This is an event I've never even heard of, I know nothing about, but here I am. Now I'm guessing if one was to get closer to that fence, you might get some dirt thrown up on you. These are apparently warm-ups right here. You will never see me do this. Mac and cornbread. Pulled pork combo. Right now?
We got mac and cornbread.
Okay. Mac and cornbread. Pulled pork combo. We don't put sauce on it. Mac and cornbread.
Treat you like family.
Okay, we have a pulled pork meal with beans and slaw and a shredded brisket one, same.
Hey Al, who taught you how to sing?
Myself. I'm pretty good. I just turned down a huge record deal in Nashville.
Well, the clouds are rolling in, but it's not raining. Not yet. What was that?
I got my Al's hard lemon or iced peach tea. I was gonna say lemonade, but it's
Al says it's good. I have not tried it.
iced tea. I spiked it.
Well, Al, it's starting to rain. What happens now?
You'll get wet.
Definitely gonna need two hands to eat that one. Now, where is Alan? Oh. Alan's doing a little fire management here.
Yeah. Try not to fall asleep here. You know, I'm working so hard.
Working so hard, my foot. You got the Detmers doing it all.
It's, you know, it's sprinkling, so I gotta make sure the fire don't die out. You know, so I gotta keep a close eye on it.
Mary is my other boss, and she's chewing me out. She got mad at me because I kind of barked at her. Well, the rain came, and we broke everything down. I would call it a successful event. It was fun. Now I just gotta drive that long road home. Thank you for watching. I'm Paul.